Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a really easy and simple bread pudding, so let's begin. So to begin with, I'm going to make the custard. So I'm going to add 500 ml of milk, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, 1 cup of sugar. So we're now going to put this to the boil. So while the milk is boiling, normally we'd use bread, but I'm going to be using brioche buns. So I'm going to just cut these up in square pieces. And then we're going to pop them in an oven-proof dish. So I have my dish here. Just going to pop these in. Boiled and slightly cool, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and I'm just going to whisk that in, and then add 3 eggs. I'm just going to whisk this in to form a custard. That looks nicely whisked in. So I'm going to now pour over the mixture. So I reserved some slightly, and I'm just going to now just push this in so it absorbs the custard. Okay, once that's soaked in, I'm going to pour over the remaining custard. And I'm going to sprinkle some sugar just over the top, and then I'm going to pop this in the oven on a gas mark 4 for 35 to 40 minutes. So our bread pudding is now out of the oven. As you can see, it's golden and golden from the top. So I'm going to just sprinkle some icing sugar and serve this hot. So I hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.